A little bit of body work. Primer. Nice and smooth. Some spots gotta get touched up. Right here. Right here. Probably get away with like some glazing putty or something. Yeah, this is how it looks on the inside. Those are my drain tubes. Just hang up. But I got the front one running, connected to the back. Then it goes down right into my wheel well. I cut a hole, got the drain tube going right into the wheel well. Right there. I need to cut it, but it's like that on both sides. Cause I couldn't figure out somewhere to put it in the front really. So that's why it goes out to the back. It worked, so that's a good thing. Headliner, I had the headliner in, stars. I fucked it up. I fucked it up real bad. So I'm taking it out. I ain't gonna do the stars. I'm gonna just do regular headliner, black suede. Just picked up some more headliner fabric today. So I had already had the headliner in. I'm just making this video because people wanted to see the video of what it looks like on the inside. And this is what it looks like. I got rivets. I do have rivets in it. I feel like the rivets made it more secure with, you know, so it's not gonna shift or anything. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm about to redo the headliner, just regular suede headliner. Center console I was making in the house is in the house. I got some 4 yards of vinyl, so about to wrap the center console tonight, well, by the weekend. So where are my LEDs? I got my speaker ring LEDs in. And I gotta do my LEDs for the center console. So yeah. Then I think I'm gonna wire it to where everything is on the same system as the speaker rings, because it's 2 different rings, 2 different apps, 2 different things I bought. And I think I'm gonna tap into the wires of the speaker rings for the LEDs for the center console. Yeah. And then probably do like some LEDs under the foot part when I'm driving and stuff. Well, yeah, probably do some same LEDs underneath the feet, underneath. Probably do something back here with the center the arm in the back. I got my third brake light. Got my third brake light in. So once I put that up, you'll be able to see that. What else? Probably gonna do some LEDs in the trunk. I got a bunch of strips of LEDs and I like soldering, so I'll probably redo the trunk too with some of the vinyl I got. Might have to go get some more vinyl. Shout out to C&J Motorsports. Hooked me up on the vinyl and the headliner fabric. Yeah. All right, be back. All right. Gluing it up. What I did was took the plastic trim piece that goes around the sunroof. Shit, bless me. Took the plastic piece that goes around the sunroof, laid it down on the headliner on the ground, Permatex, and I just let it sit there for a second. Then press it down firmly. Press the headliner down firmly on there. I guess you can see like my little crease. I guess I might have to fold that over, but press it down there on there real firm. Then I took the Monte Carlo headliner out and just cut around the edge. Probably left like 4 inches around the edge, and I just put it back up. And then I put this trim piece on, snapped it onto the sunroof, and then I stretched the headliner out to the Monte Carlo headliner. So it's really space, it's air in between there, not so much so. And then I just stretched it over there, Permatex, stuck them both together. So now, right now it's still going the back. Then I just gotta go around and take the razor knife and cut all the access off. Get them wrinkles out later with the steamer. So now I can come back and cut my edges off. I'm gonna just tuck that down up in there as good as possible and then cut. Or probably just leave a good enough edge. Yeah. Alright, headliner is in. Regular black suede headliner. Something simple, quick, easy. Just to hold me over until I figure out star headliner. I guess maybe I could have trimmed the Monte Carlo headliner a little thinner, but I mean, it'll still all flow. Don't look bad. What I'm trying to do next, black carpet. Yeah, we in there. Up here, just took it, wrapped it over. took it and wrapped it over. I need to clean all this fiberglass and Bondo up out of there. Yeah. I'll clean this car out. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm clean this car out, work my way on into the house. But I got a spark plug that didn't touched. So, spark plug right here. Yeah. So I gotta check that out. Damn it. Alright.